Well, good afternoon everybody. How y'all doing? And welcome to the channel. Yeah, I had a delivery. I was actually upstairs working on the channel and the doorbell rang and this showed up. But the problem is I've been ordering so much stuff lately that I'm not sure what's in there. So we're going to do a little unboxing. It's not marked on the outside, it's just from Amazon, so I can't remember which part this is exactly. But I can tell you it's going to be for one of the two trucks. And of course, you'll know whether this is a Tacoma or a Tundra mod based on the title before I even know right now. So we're going to set the camera up. We're going to unbox this. We're going to find out what's in there. I can't wait to see. Okay, like I said, I've had so much stuff coming here lately that I'm not even sure what this is. So we're going to... Technical difficulties. We're gonna open this up and find out, because I'm very curious to know myself. So here we go. Okay. Oh, it's wiring stuff. All right. Awesome. Well, this is good because this will give you a little insight into the next mod that I have coming for the Tacoma. This is for the Tacoma. And this is stuff that you'll need if you guys are going to be interested in doing this mod. I'm still waiting for the main part to come, but these are the pieces I need with it. First of all, these are addifuses. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these or not, but with these, you can actually... add another device, if you will, into the fuse box by plugging one end of this in right here where the current fuse is, and then on the top, which hopefully you guys can see there, you put in the existing fuse, the one you're putting this in place of, and then the new fuse for whatever the new item is that you have coming. So that's what these are for. I actually only need one, but I figured I'd get a few. And here in blue are the 10 amp fuses, because what I'm going to do requires a 10 amp fuse. So this will be for the next mod that's coming, to be able to add it into the fuse box and get power. Now, in addition, what I've got coming also requires a ground wire, and I didn't have any 16 gauge ground wire, so I thought I'd go ahead and get a couple different flavors, black or red, doesn't really matter which one. These are stranded wires, which means they're not a solid conductor. There's several wires within the insulation. So I'll probably use black for this, but I'll have both in case I need it for something down the road. And the last item, again, I can't even remember what the heck this is. Oh, okay, I know what this is. This will give you a big hint, because this is the mod, just waiting for a wiring harness to show up. This is actually a camera. It is a backup camera, but we're going to use it as a front-facing camera in the Tacoma. It's going to go in the grill, and it should just be awesome. Comes with all the wiring and all that good stuff that you need. They also included a pry tool. That's pretty cool. I don't have one like this. This will come in handy for other things, like something I'm waiting on for the doors. But that's a different mod. This is, as I said, a front-facing camera, and the kit here includes the wiring that you need from the camera to the fuse box. This will be tied into these addifuses that I have here. So the red wire, I'm assuming, is going to go for power, and the black and red is going to go for ground. And then the connector here is going to go into the wiring that I'm waiting for, the kit, to be able to get this thing into the head unit. Awesome. They have little inline splice connectors, if you will, to be able to splice into existing wiring. Not sure if I'll use that or not, but good to have. The bolt here to be able to secure this down to the inside of the grill. They even give you some electrical tape. That'll come in handy. And a few of these, looks like wire holders maybe, I'm not exactly sure. Little 3M sticky kind of holder kind of things. And some wire ties. Now, let's take a look at the camera itself. The main piece of this whole kit here. Take a look at that. Here is the camera. This is what's going to go in the grill, and of course when I do the mod you guys will see exactly what this is. Now, one thing that's interesting about this particular camera, they do leave some wires out here exposed, and the reason they do that is because this is a rear facing camera similar to what is on the back of the Tacoma now, and if you wanted to, you could cut, I think there are, it's either one or two of these wires that you would cut, just not use in essence, to get rid of the lines that will be on the screen. Those are the lines that you would have that show you distance, if you will, when you're backing up against something. So I'll probably leave those. I don't know for sure, and since they will be exposed pretty much like this, I could cut them at a later date if for some reason I don't like the lines being on the screen. But there you go. That's the camera. You guys can see there. Should look really nice inside the grill on the Tacoma. So now all I'm waiting for this mod is the wiring harness that enables me to connect this into the camera, or the screen rather, that's in the truck already, the existing screen. That's all that I need. So as soon as that arrives, we'll be able to go ahead and get this mod underway. I can't wait. It's an awesome mod. I have said before, and I still think that every truck should have a front-facing camera on it. I don't know why they don't come that way. You know, this whole kit, I can't remember, but it wasn't that expensive. It was under 200 bucks. Probably under 100 bucks. We'll put that in the video when we do the install. But this is awesome. So now all I need is the wiring harness to show up, which supposedly shipped a few days ago. So I expect that's going to be here probably any day now. So hopefully soon. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and do a little unboxing. Again, I've got so much stuff coming right now for mods for the trucks that I've kind of forgotten what I've ordered. Or at least, I don't know which sequence they're coming in, I guess. So, stay tuned. That mod will be coming up. We also have, as I mentioned, another mod in the doors on the Tacoma, and rather than just string you out on that, I'll let you know it's going to be kicker speakers. A subscriber of mine, Dennis, was kind enough to order those and have them sent to me, so as soon as they get here, we'll be doing the install on those. It's going to be interesting for me because I've never taken the door panels off of a Tacoma before, or honestly any modern car. I'd done it before in the past with some really old cars, but nothing modern. So hopefully that goes smoothly and I don't break anything. Otherwise I'll be buying pens, I guess. That's what's coming up. There's a few other things in the works, but we'll leave that for the future. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that when that video comes up, you won't miss it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on the way out, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.